Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up a secure folder on Vivo Y03t. If you're using Vivo Y03 and now you want to set up your own secure folder, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your Google Files app, which is pre-installed on your phone. Just open it, and here just go to Save Folder here, tap on it, then enter your password. You have to create your pattern or password once, and after that you can easily use it as I've already created once. Now go back, and here you just have to select your private photos and videos to move to your save folder, and I'm going to select any videos. So just open the videos, and here just keep a long press on any video which you want to move to your save folder. Keep a long press on it, then select three dots in the top right corner, select move to save folder, and there you have to enter your pattern or password you have created. Now go back, go to save folder again, and enter your password, and after that you'll easily get your secured videos or photos here. So that's how you can easily set up a secure folder on Vivo Y03t. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.